Um, I'm sorry.
Sorry for?
For everything I've said. I'm sorry, alam kong nasaktan ka. Hindi ko sinasadya. I hope we can still be friends. Gusto ko sana mabalik yung dati.
What's going on here?
Nothing.
Okay. Ready ka na for dinner?
Let's go.
Alis kayo? Hindi niyo ba alam, di pa ito?
Steve, relax. Nagpaalam na ako. Saglit lang kami. Nagpa-reserve na ako ng resto sa city. Let's go?
Let's go. Bye, Steve. My friend.
So, nung nahulog na naman ako kay Alpha for the 100th time, sabi ko sa kanya, Boy, papalitan na talaga kita. Ang lungkot mo naman. Nag-e-enjoy ka ba?
Look, Mark. I don't wanna lie to you and I know na pinakita mo yung best version of yourself mo tonight sa akin, pero parang may kulang pa rin eh.
Steve, no? Jamie, alam kong mahal mo pa rin siya. Pero
Friend lang ang tingin niya sa akin. I know.
don't worry about that. Okay? Mawawala rin yung feelings mo kay Steve. And malay mo, ako naman ang pumalit sa kanya. Sorry, I didn't
No,
mean to.
no, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Let's just pretend it never happened.
Sige.
Let's eat.
Tayo mo na ba dumaan?